Okay, for the sake of familiarity, we are using the same data set like we did the last session, right? So you can see that the data set is still filtered. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is we need to clear the filter, right? So you can go to home, then select this sort and filter icon, right? And then you have this clear option. You click on it and boom, right? Now you have all your rows, you can see. Yep. Okay, and why do you need free spin, right? You need it because you can see that, if you scroll down, the column headers is still visible, right? You can scroll as down as possible, it will still be fixed, right? So that's the reason you need to freeze your spin. And how do you remove it or add it, right? So you can go to the view option. Over here you will see this freeze pen option. From here you can right now top row is selected, you can unfreeze pen, right? So now if you scroll down, you can see you no longer see the column header, right? So yep, let's put that back. Let's go to view, freeze pen, just top row. Yeah, and the next topic is about hiding and unhiding columns. So why do you need it again? The first question is always why, right? So it's because, let's say, you are working on this particular data set, and after you do your analysis, you want to send it across to somebody else, and maybe that person, that person is not interested in seeing geographical data. Okay, it doesn't make it's not going to add any value to that person. Okay, so maybe you can hide it. You can select this four columns, you can right click and you can simply hide column, right? And the same thing can happen to you as well, right? Somebody else does some analysis and send back a data set to you, and then you don't get to see certain columns, but you feel like maybe, why not, let's see what's out there, right? If it can add some value to my analysis. So you can just hover over this space, right? And you have this option, click to unhide, right? There you go.